Good morning everyone and welcome to the start of my Coachella vlog. I am so excited. I'm going with Dote, so thank you so much to Dote for sending me. We're doing like a Coachella giveaway and a bunch of things on the app. If you guys want to download the app, use code Kenzie for $5 off. Anyways, I just finished packing. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast and then run by CVS, pick up a few last minute things, and then I'm going to go to Morgan's because that's where our car is picking us up. It like hasn't hit me that we're going yet, but I'm pumped. I have one suitcase here for my clothes, and then I have one suitcase here for my accessories. And then I just have a backpack with random things. My travel road trip outfit, I have this tank from Forever 21, the sweats out of Brianna Might's merch, my Adidas slides, and then a Wild Fox jacket. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. Oh, I don't even know what I'm getting.
Welcome. I'm gonna get started for you today.
Hi, can I just have a venti iced dirty chai with a sausage and cheddar breakfast sandwich, please? Our car is here, van is here. There's like no room for all of our luggage, so that's fun. Doing it. Kenzie's, oh, she's a weightlifter. Oh, yeah.
You had assistance. Really you had an assist. Get it.
Okay.
We're doing this for the gram. And we get an Instagram. We will see. All right, let's try again.
Okay, guys.
We look like a bougie bunch of gals just strutting in the gas station. I kind of hate it. But I kind of love us a lot.
Honestly, I more so I hate it, but
yeah, more so.
We're stopping for a bathroom break, and more importantly to get Roadtrip Snacks. We're like 40 minutes away. Honestly, the drive went by fast for me.
Why is it freezing?
I don't know. I'm also about to, I feel like I'm in Antarctica.
I don't think you have a great concept of Antarctica Lake, but okay.
No, but it looks just like it out here. The most important part of any trip is the Roadtrip Snacks, and we've been slacking. I got my favorite Roadtrip Snacks, some trolleys. I don't know, that's my favorite candy. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And then Chex Mix Muddy Buddies. I only eat these on road trips, so I have to. And then I got an Arizona tea. Yes. I love my live audience. Hey guys. Hi guys. We're literally like 6 minutes from our house. Maybe even less now. I feel like we've been in the car for 30 minutes.
Yeah, this is.
I love this problem.
This is magic. Also, I definitely thought it was gonna be like 4 hours.
No, I did too. I thought the traffic tomorrow is gonna be really bad.
Yeah.
It's gonna like suck. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is like, we have tennis courts.
Yeah, we literally have a tennis court. Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Dote.
It says Dote on the door.
Morgan just got so excited. So cute.
With the bike. To the first house right now.
We made it. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. Okay, you walk into the house and look at how cute everything is. It's so great. Here is the beautiful patio.
There's 4 bedrooms. Why can I not find my room? Alright, let me give you a photo.
This is so pretty. There's a little courtyard, tennis courts. Over here, we have the pool. Oh my gosh, they already have all, that's so cute. They already have the floats and everything. It is unreal. I wonder if that's a hot tub. This is so great. Over here, and then right here is a tennis court where I will be playing lots of tennis. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it here. I know. So this is like the kitchen area. Oh, they do have a washer and dryer. That's awesome. Here's our kitchen. It is so cool. Oh guys, they have snacks. Tasha, do you want them?
Yes, I do.
So cute.
Oh my God, Cheetos.
There's bedrooms this way, and then there's bedrooms this way. There's a little photo set up there, and then here's all the bedrooms. There's a bunch this way, and then Brooke and I's is right here. And they got us these little cute, like the Coachella, or no, the Dote Girl robes, which are adorable. A nice fanny pack, which is so helpful, and then like a pack of Coachella necessities, which is freaking awesome. And our itinerary, I'm just like so happy to be here right now, but I'm like so freaking pumped. Also, here is the bathroom, and then here's our closet. I'm about to unpack and like have everything ready. I'm so pumped. I really need these hangers. We made it to the pool. It is so bright, so I don't think you can even, can you see me? Probably, I can't see you. But we're just laying out.
Wait, can we ever see them, Kenzie? Can we take them?
Never, we can. Okay, whatever. I'm just wearing a two-piece bathing suit set. These are like high-waisted. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye. I made it. I'm so brave.
Kenzie's the first one to make it into the pool. I'm also trying to figure out how much time I have until I get burnt.
I'm definitely
I feel like not that much. Palm Springs sun is so hot.
It feels so good.
I really want to get in, but I don't think I
Okay, heading to the kitchen post pool to get some snacks before we get ready for dinner. Gosh, guys, this fridge is stocked with stuff.
The separate ones.
I should have brought my Alexa here. Can you imagine if I would have done that?
Not being sad. Retrieved our robes. Actually, this is Brooke's. Thanks, Brooke. Not
like, what?
Yeah. Brooke's gonna be like, I can't believe it. Someone else wore that before. It's like, Morgan, no, seriously, give me yours. Yeah, she's like, Morgan.
I'm not sitting next to you.
Oh my gosh.
We love Brooke. She's the best person to walk this earth. She's my roommate. I win over everyone. Brooke is my roommate. My weekend is on nothing.
You're gonna cry
on
laughing.
Sunday.
I've never, she's so funny. Wow, Brooke's just getting a whole segment. Here, girl. See, it's a good thing you're not wearing Brooke's, because that would have been a big problem.
That's true. Brooke's gonna be like, no. We're filming a Get Ready With Me for Morgan's channel. I have it linked down below. Yay. Check it out. There's gonna be so many Get Ready With Me this weekend.
I know.
Just, wow, a lot.
What exactly to do with this?
Use my tripod. A little bit of an outfit change, but this dress, I don't remember where it's from.
Fashion Nova.
It's from Fashion Nova. It's super comfortable. Hey, come on in. Say hello to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Do your nails done? Oh, they look great.
Wait, I never get fake nails. I'm like, what is this? They're so
I love that like coffin shape.
I love that's what I get.
I've never had this tiny. I got glitter.
We have this photo booth, as you can tell. So
Well,
the
yeah,
lighting
shutter
is
speed.
great. Yeah, what's wrong with this thing? It's not looking too cute. We're testing out some lighting for some more pics.
Doing the little iPhone scope.
Doing the little iPhone scope where you like turn with your friend like this.
So that's an option.
Okay.
Or, like, here. I think here.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. Morgan just vlogs, so I'm gonna vlog too. It's kind of how it goes.
Yep.
We're walking to dinner right now. Danielle is still not here. It's really upsetting. I'm not just disappointed that Brooke isn't here until way longer. I'm heartbroken. You don't understand. Brooke is literally the funniest person to walk this earth, and she doesn't try to be funny. She just is naturally so funny.
Both of our roommates aren't here.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, you don't live here for a long time.
I know. I have like, yeah, I really.
Wow.
I have my own place. It's crazy. This is where we're going.
Dinner.
Here's our dinner. What the heck? This is unreal. This is amazing.
Deserve this. I didn't do any. I don't deserve it. That's the thing. We were just praying.
We literally prayed, and this is an answered prayer. We're by each. Oh my gosh, there's blankets. That is so cute. Wait, which photo? Oh my gosh.
Oh my
This is a photo Joe took.
Dope.
I know, that's awesome. Photo. Danielle's nice to me. Hey, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Hey, oh my gosh, hi. Oh my gosh. I know, there's so many. We're Kenzie Squared. Just dyed it. Actually, my roommate did, but Kenzie Squared. We're back together. Back together. Thank God. Yeah, back in better than ever. This is seriously unreal. I am. This is wow. I am floored.
You like this?
Probably what I want to say. We have these beautiful blankets.
Danielle is just amazing.
The attention to detail here, they're really killing it. Danielle looks amazing tonight. I love sitting next to my best friend in New York. Cute. Joe took this photo of me. It is beautiful. Everyone's over there. We're over here. It says Dote.
We have like hoped for more.
No, I think even Dote has outdone themselves, which is saying a lot.
Yeah,
this is incredible.
oh my gosh, and I'm glad we're here doing the daylight still, so that
this is amazing. Wow.
I am so happy.
I'm so happy.
Ooh, hello. This just flew into me.
Look who it is. It's Danielle. She's like literally gonna cry. I'm gonna get out. Oh my god, you guys are real again. Thank God. You guys smell so good. Like it, you're real. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Your hair looks so good.
Straight from the airport.
Guys, I've been fighting Morgan saying that she should wear her middle part more often because she should.
More often, it's the first time.
Okay, well, every day.
Middle part, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I love being right.
8. We got 8. It's okay. That's
Oh my god, I already did this, but it's so happy. My red face. I'm literally so, I don't ever want to leave. I know.
Excuse me, I'm floored. I just decided to check my Dote. Long story short, if we got 10,000 followers, more than however many we had like a week ago at this point, it hasn't been long. By the end of April, we got a $5,000 shopping spree on Dote, and these ladies have hit it. Can you believe?
So
wait,
we
hold on,
expect
let me
to
take
go
a thumbnail.
haul
Do a thumbnail. I haven't on mine, but. Are you guys doing Wait, Danielle, be in the
Yeah.
We were like, no, like maybe you can take them so they just.
Danielle left her phone.
She left it and she doesn't know.
And I grabbed it, and we're waiting till she's
We're just waiting.
All right, ready?
It's really cool inside too, yeah. Yeah, it's really cool inside. The cooler out. Yeah. Yeah, Danielle's phone. We're waiting for her to freak out. She left it. Oh, whoops. My bad.
That was me actually.
That was me.
Do I have my phone? Shoot, wait.
I didn't realize she went back. I was turned around trying not to laugh. I didn't know she went back for it.
We literally like, I'm like crying.
Danielle had an alarm go off and I went, oh, that's me. And she goes, I thought that was me. Dang it, that sabotaged the whole plan. She would have never.
I feel bad. She's.
I know, but she would have never noticed until we got home, and now she knows she doesn't have her phone. I was like, huh, that was my phone.
I feel bad. She's gonna freak out. She's freaking out. Yeah, like let's tell her. Come on, this is mean. This is mean.
Well,
Danny, we found your phone.
No, wait.
Okay, we feel so guilty because Danielle's perfect and this is mean, and we didn't realize she was gonna go all the way back in the restaurant. Danny, she's probably telling the restaurant people. Oh. Wait. Oh, Danielle. We have it.
Danielle.
We have it. Danny, I'm sorry.
You left it on the table and we got it. We were gonna see how long it took.
Okay, she did, not me.
You would not have noticed except for the alarm.
We're all walking with our blankets right now. Oh my gosh. Nope, I'm in heels. Not for me. We're back at the house. We're just chilling. About to take some more pictures. Hanging out. I'm so happy. Morgan, everything is a production.
My words are always with me, but now they're not.
Yeah, where'd your extensive vocabulary go?
I left it in Miller.
I feel so
wait, I'm gonna take my pants off. Hold on.
Wait, you guys are in t-shirts and I'm over here like a princess.
That's why I just need mine.
That's a great analogy for everything always.
Oh, those are really cute.
Okay, let's do some more.
Okay.
I want to be like, oh wait, that's sexy.
Okay.
It's going back on.
Yeah, why did you do that?
Well, like, I was trying to think of something like, it's going back on. Please demonstrate what you wanted. I want to do this, that's too.
Yeah, I'm keeping this in.
Okay, I'm in college now, I don't care. I just want to be like, wow, that's really cute. Okay, let's check this out.
We're chilling in bed right now. It's like the night before. I feel like I'm gonna be.
The night before Christmas.
Yeah, but I also feel like I'm gonna be run over by a truck. Like I feel like I'm going to die this weekend.
We're gonna die.
So, okay guys, so I'm ending yesterday's vlog. I was gonna do one big combined vlog until I realized that I have way too much footage and that's not happening. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next one will be going up tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe if you guys haven't. Check out Instagram. All right, see you soon. Bye.